Hey techies, welcome or welcome back to K Talks Tech. I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. Um, Today I want to talk about breaking into tech from a couple of different aspects. So the first thing is, it seems like all the techie videos or techie people or just techies in general like to talk about what they would do if they had to break into tech today. So I'm going to put my 2 cents on that too. What would I do if I had to break into tech today? I don't think I would come in as a developer. I might be willing to come in as a data engineer. Um, but I think what I would pursue, because I came in as a developer originally, and I've had multiple roles in tech since then. And it's been kind of fun moving around, doing different things, and so forth. So that's been cool, but I think if I had to come in now, I would definitely go the cybersecurity route. And if I was intimidated by the cybersecurity, then I would do UX design. Just because I feel like those first of all, they both pay very well. And second of all, I feel like those are two that are likely to keep a human touch in the face of AI. So yeah, if you're monitoring cybersecurity, of course you can have some sort of automated monitoring, but you're definitely going to want a human to oversee that, right? So, uh, and there's still a shortage of cybersecurity people. So I think I would definitely consider going that route. And then the other thing is UX design. So I think that UX design is an area where companies will want a human touch. So AI tools can design things for you. I don't know how much variety they're going to have with that, but you still need a person to have the final say over that. I just don't believe in my heart that a machine will ever be as creative as a really talented human. So that's why I would choose those two. Now, here's the thing about breaking into tech. I was reading an article the other day that is saying, actually, it was from Damon John. You know, Damon John, the founder of Fubu, Damon John of Shark Tank fame, right? He's the black guy on Shark Tank. He was talking about AI and saying it's here, you need to get your hands on it, and that he thought it was going to change the workforce and that there will be no more entry level jobs. That's really disheartening for entry level folk, but I have a solution for you. Okay. There's entry level and then there's entry level. So get some experience because once you get some experience, you're not really entry level anymore. You might have to get more experience than you had to get in the future, the very near future. You might have to get more experience than you would have to get right now. So probably if you had like a 3 month internship, that would be enough experience. In the future, it might not be, right? You might have to start gathering experience as soon as you enter school. So if you go to college for computers, all of those summers you need to be doing some sort of work. If you can't get an internship, do volunteer work. Of course, if you can get paid for your work, that's even better. If you can't do either one of those, do projects on your own. It almost doesn't matter what kind of project it is as long as it's a tech project. If you don't know how to do anything, then do a no to low code website just so you can understand the process of creating software. So there's value in that. Um, or you could take my workshop. where you get 3 months experience for your resume. Um, and we will develop a project the same way they would on the job. And I can do that because I've been doing that for many years. So, yeah, you definitely want to do that. Um, so, between internships and volunteer work and creating your own projects, you can put together a very nice portfolio saying that, yeah, here, I do have some experience. You might not have enterprise, big company, enterprise level experience, but there's a lot of smaller companies that work very close to how you would be working. And if you can get your foot in the door at a smaller company that may not be paying what you wanted to pay, but so what? Take the job, because in a couple of years you can write your own ticket. You can go, well, let me take that back, because writing your own ticket might not be a go to work other places to increase your skill set and your upward mobility and get a nice raise and so forth. So, yeah, I think you would still be able to do that. You're just going to have to work a little harder to get your foot in the door. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for you. I know that I on these last couple of videos I look like I'm drunk, but I'm not. I promise you. I don't drink that often, and I definitely would not drink and go on and do a video. I'm just tired, and I have hooded eyes, so from the angle of the camera and the fact that my eyes are very heavy because it's late and I'm tired, but I'm trying to push these videos out. That's why I look like that. I promise you. I'm 100% sober. All right. So, like the video, follow the channel, share the video, and then come on back here again where we will continue to talk tech. Bye.